Joint Cell Academy, Goa's best coaching for IIT, JEE and medical exam preparations for class 8 to 12. State toppers for NEET and JEE Main 2024, both produced by Cell Academy. Admissions are now open for class 8 to 12 and repeaters medical batch for NEET 2025. We have study centers at Margao, Vasco and Porvorim.
Department of Tourism in association with GTDC is organizing Viva Carnival 2025 from the 1st of March to the 4th of March. So 1st of March the parade will be held in Panjim, followed by 2nd March in Margao, 3rd March Vasco and 4th March Mapusa and Morjim jointly. So the department is dedicated to enhancing and promoting the iconic festivals of the state, and this carnival again promises to be a bigger, more colorful and more engaging than ever before. The Porvorim Carnival Committee has decided to not to have the carnival this year parade on the 28th of Feb due to the ongoing infrastructural work along their route, and the decision has been taken to prevent the traffic congestion which can be caused by the ongoing flyover work. We sincerely appreciate the understanding of the people of Porvorim and its committee and encourage them to join the celebrations at other locations, and hopefully they can join us for the carnival celebrations in 2026. I hereby introduce our King Momo for this year, Shri Cleven Matthews Fernandez, who hails from Benaulim village and has been selected as the King Momo for this year. A well-planned traffic management system will be in place to avoid congestion. We request all visitors to follow the safety guidelines and cooperate with the authorities and its personnel who are present to ensure a smooth and memorable experience for